Hi everyone, today I've got this Teepee card to share with you that I made for my niece's birthday. So first of all I took some Centura Pearl cardstock from Crafter's Companion and I cut 3 pieces to 5 by 5 inches. Next I do score lines in the centre of the squares diagonally. And then I fold and burnish them, and this makes triangular shapes. Then I use a pencil to add some little marks, and this is to help me know where I'm going to put the glue in a minute. And then I glue the 3 pieces of card together as shown here. Next, I take some gold mirror cardstock and I cut 2 squares out. I made these gold squares a couple of millimetres shorter than the 5 by 5 inches. I'm not sure exactly how much smaller I did them. I didn't take the measurements for some reason. Like a 1/4 of an inch or something like that will work really well. I then cut these gold squares in half diagonally, which left me with 4 triangular shapes. Next, I cut 2 squares out of pattern paper. Again, I went a couple of millimetres smaller than the gold cardstock. And then again I cut these diagonally so that I got 4 triangular shapes. And this paper's from Papers by Chloe. It's an 8 by 8 inch paper pad and it's called Luxury Foiled Paper Pad. Then I go ahead and I glue the pattern paper triangles onto the gold mirror cardstock triangles. Unfortunately I lost some footage here, but what I did is I took the triangles and I glued them all down onto the front of the Teepee card. I also cut a smaller gold mirror cardstock square, and it was 2 inches by 2 inches. And then again the same with the pattern pink paper, and I did this by 1 6/8 by 1 6/8 of an inch. And again I cut these diagonally to make triangles and glued the pattern paper on top of the gold. Then I just glue these down to these leftover 2 bottom sections of the Teepee card. Next I take some self-adhesive velcro dots and I adhere them to the last fold on the card so that it opens and closes easily. And this just holds the card together nicely. Again I've lost some footage here. I think what happened was that as I was making the card I was running out of memory on my phone, and I didn't realise that my phone had stopped recording, so I just carried on making the card. So I've just missed out on some of the footage. And so you can see I've decorated the front of my card with toppers and paper flowers, and the paper flowers were part of my advent swap gift from Little Sue Crafts, and I really love these paper flowers. They're super cute. I also added some little 2-in-1 stickers to the butterfly because it's my niece's 21st birthday. And these little gold dots that I'm adding here, they're from a Project Life kit. The toppers that I used I adhered with foam pads, and they were part of the freebie that came with one of the Papercraft magazines. And that's it. I really love how this one turned out. I really enjoy making Teepee cards. I think they look a lot more complex than they actually are. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like for me, and subscribe if you don't already. And that's it for now. Bye everyone.